2.4 Hustle. DVD preview. 1 Work in pairs. Discuss the questions. 1. Which famous fictional thieves, investigators, detectives do you know about? 2. Which are famous in your country? 3. Do you watch any crime detective dramas? Which ones? What do you dislike about them? 4. What are the features of good detective dramas, e.g. interesting characters? 2. Look at the pictures and read about the program. What problems do you think Finch had when he stole the painting? Hustle. Hustle is a BBC drama series about a team of criminals who try to obtain and sell things in an illegal or dishonest way. In this program we meet Finch, a burglar. He's in trouble with customs, who believe that he has stolen a valuable piece of art. Unfortunately for Finch, when he stole the painting, things didn't go quite according to plan. DVD view. 3A. Watch the program. What problems did Finch encounter? A monkey screams. An alarm goes off. He is searched when he arrives in the UK. We match the words in the 2 columns to make common crime collocations. Work with your partner. What do these words mean? 1. Guard. E. Dog. 2. Art. A. Thief. 3. Valuable. G. Painting. 4. Burglar. F. Alarm. 5. Customs. D. Officer. 6. Loaded. C. Weapon. 7. Security. B. Guard. Tick the things above which you see in the clip. Which of the above do you not see? 4. F. Burglar alarm is also not seen, but one is heard. 6. C. Loaded weapon does not appear in the clip. For A. Work in pairs and answer the questions. 1. How does Finch get into the grounds of the mansion? He climbs over the wall. 2. What is the security guard doing? Walking round the outside of the house. 3. What does Finch do when he breaks into the house? He steals the painting. 4. Why does Finch have to run with the artwork? Because the monkey wakes up the house owner. 5. How does Finch escape? He climbs back over the wall. 6. What happens at the airport? The customs officers stop Finch and search his bags. 7. Why do customs officers search Finch? Do they find anything? They are looking for the painting but they don't find it. 8. What do customs plan to do? They plan to follow Finch. B. Watch the DVD again to check. C. Discuss what you think Finch does next. What will happen? Finch leaves the painting in a locker in Rio Airport and swallows the key before travelling back to the UK. The Hustle team then try to smuggle the painting to the UK. Speak out a narrative. 5. A. Work in groups. Look at the pictures. What do you think happened?
Unit 2. Recording 11.
Okay, this story is about a man called Radu Dogaru who stole famous paintings from a museum in Rotterdam. In fact, he stole paintings by Picasso, Matisse and Monet. The paintings were worth millions of pounds. What Radu didn't realise was that because the paintings were so famous, he had difficulty selling them. So he tried to hide them at home. Later, the police thought they had caught Radu. However, the problem was that when they went to search for the paintings, they couldn't find them. It seems that when Radu's mother, Olga, found out what Radu had done, she destroyed the paintings by burning them in her oven in order to protect her son. In the end, Radu was arrested for the theft.
6a. Work in pairs. Take turns to retell the story using the key phrases. B. Work in pairs. Student A, look at the picture story on page 159. Student B, look at the picture story on page 160. Use the phrases in exercise 5C to tell your partner what happens in your story. Lesson 3.3. 6b. Change roles and role-play the situation. Student B, you are a guest at a hotel. Your room is too small. 10 minutes ago you called reception to ask if there are any sweets available. Then room service arrived with a trolley of sweets, cakes, ice cream, etc. Call reception to make your complaint. Student A, you are a receptionist at a hotel. A guest calls to make a complaint. Start the conversation by saying reception. How can I help you? Hello. Yes, I'm afraid I have a problem. Explain the problem again and ask if there is a suite available. Apologize for the misunderstanding. Explain that there are no suites available at the moment, but there will be tomorrow. Check details and thank the receptionist for their help. Confirm details, apologize again and end the call. Write back a newspaper article. 7a. Read about a famous art theft. Who stole the painting? Why did he steal it? What happened in the end? Famous painting stolen. On the 21st of August, 1911, Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa, one of the most famous paintings in the world, was stolen from the wall of the Louvre Museum in Paris. At first, the police thought one of the guards might have stolen the painting, but 17 days after the theft, they arrested poet Guillaume Apollinaire. However, he was released when police could find no evidence that he had committed the crime. 2 years later, the real thief, Vincenzo Peruggia, was arrested in Italy. Peruggia had worked at the museum and had stolen the painting because he was angry about how many Italian paintings were on display in France. He had planned to return the painting to the Italian Uffizi Gallery in Florence. The public was so excited at the news of finding the Mona Lisa that the painting was displayed throughout Italy before it was returned to France in 1913.